everybody. In this section, we are going to look at what is Kali Linux. So, Kali Linux is an enterprise level security auditing Linux distribution based on Debian, GNU, Linux. Now, the expression Linux distribution, on the other hand, refers to a complete operating system built on top of a Linux kernel, usually including an installation program and many applications, which are either pre-installed or packaged in an installable way. It is mainly developed for security professionals, IT administrators, to help them conduct advanced penetration tests, forensic analysis, and security audit of the software or the systems running entirely through the network. So, cybersecurity enthusiasts can also use it. Kali Linux is also the most widely used operating system of choice to many cyber security researchers, since it comes with a lot of pre-installed information security tools to enable the researcher use most of the time trying to focus on whatever they are doing, rather than take most of their time configuring the tools to work in the operating systems. That is just an overview of what Kali is and who its